Okay guys, so I hurt my iPad. Hindi mo kung basta mo play na ko guys. Balik na ko to sa start. Okay guys. Wait lang ito for a minute. Mana? Okay guys. Wait lang guys. Ano guys, pero mag-insert ta so good. Wait lang guys. We are inside now. So mag-play na ta guys mo. Natisaw ako. Yes, finally na guys. Maka-play na gid sa wow. Wait lang guys. Part 5. Sorry na guys.